Email marketing is simple. It's using email to talk to your customers. Think of it like a letter, but online. Instead of sending a physical letter, you send a digital message. You use email to send messages to people. These messages can be about anything related to your business. These people are interested in your business. Email marketing is direct. It allows you to communicate with your audience in a personal way. You reach people right in their inbox. This is a space they check regularly, making it an effective way to get your message across. This makes it powerful for sharing news and offers. You can inform your customers about new products, special deals, or important updates. When someone gives you their email address, they are inviting you to talk to them. They trust you with their contact information. They want to hear from you. This opens up a direct line of communication, allowing you to build a relationship with your audience. Email lets you talk directly to your audience. No need to rely on social media or ads. You control the message and when it's sent. This makes email marketing very effective. Email marketing helps you build trust. You're a familiar face in a crowded inbox. People get to know you through your emails. When you send regular emails, people remember you. This helps keep your business top of mind. This is especially important in today's busy world. Newsletters are like updates for your customers. They share valuable content like articles or tips. Newsletters keep your audience engaged with your brand. They show that you offer more than just products or services. Promotional emails share special offers or sales. These emails drive sales and create excitement. Personalized emails are tailored to the individual. These emails use data to deliver relevant content. This makes customers feel valued and understood. Section 4. Building relationships through email. Email marketing is about more than just selling products or services. It's about building meaningful relationships with your customers and clients. When you send regular emails, you stay connected with your audience, keeping them informed and engaged. This consistent communication helps turn one-time buyers into loyal customers who trust your brand. Email allows you to show the human side of your business, making it more relatable and trustworthy. Share your story, your values, and your personality through your emails. When people connect with you on a personal level, they are more likely to support your business and become advocates for your brand. Use email to respond to feedback, share updates, and provide valuable content that resonates with your audience. Celebrate milestones, share successes, and make your customers feel like they are part of your journey. Building relationships through email is a powerful way to grow your business and create a loyal community. Section 5. The power of email marketing. Email marketing helps you reach the right people at the right time. By crafting personalized messages, you can engage your audience more effectively. It's a powerful tool for growing your business. With the right strategy, you can nurture leads and convert them into loyal customers. By sending targeted emails, you can increase sales and revenue. Tailored content ensures that your message resonates with your audience, driving them to take action. Email marketing offers a high return on investment, or ROI. It's one of the most cost-effective marketing channels available, providing significant returns for minimal costs. It's an affordable way to reach a large audience. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, email marketing can scale to meet your needs. Email marketing is a valuable tool for any business. It allows you to maintain regular contact with your customers, keeping your brand top of mind. It's a direct and effective way to connect with your audience, build relationships, and drive sales. Consistent communication helps build trust and loyalty. Start building your email list today and see the results for yourself. The sooner you begin, the faster you'll see the benefits of this powerful marketing tool.